Happy holidays from DataStax's. We have spent this year creating truly incredible software that makes generative AI and its benefits accessible to everybody, from individual developers to startups to the enterprise and beyond. This year, to celebrate, we are giving away $1,000 per day to content created about the software. To participate in this giveaway, all you've got to do is use DataStax's AstraDB and or Langflow in some meaningful way, and then create content about it. Content could be a blog post, a YouTube video, or a GitHub repo containing code. Once you've created the content, go on X, formerly known as Twitter, and share it with us mentioning the handle at DataStaxDevs and using the hashtag 12 days of Codemas. From there, content submitted on any given day between December 12th and 24th will enter a raffle for that day where we randomly draw a winning prize, a winning piece of content. We will then give the creator of this piece of content $1,000 as their prize. That's really that simple. Now, there's terms and conditions in the surrounding blog post accompanying this video, and there's also ideas for content we'd like to see exist, content that you could create. This doesn't help your chances. It is still a random draw between December 12th and 24th, but if you wanted to create content along those lines, we'd appreciate it. Thank you so much for participating. We can't wait to see what you build. And once again, happy holidays from DataStax.